me tell you what's really hot. Not the waist, not the lashes, not the outfit. Hot is a woman who's done the inner work. She doesn't need attention to feel validated. She doesn't chase. She attracts by walking in purpose. Hot is a woman who's mastered her mindset. She can walk through fire and still come out praying. She can be overlooked and still show up excellent. She's not ruled by cravings, mood swings, or opinions. She's led by vision. You think confidence is built in the mirror? No, it's built in the moments nobody sees. When you choose discipline over distractions. When you say no to what feels good and yes to what grows you. That kind of woman, she's rare. Unbothered, unshaken, unstoppable. That's more than pretty. That's power.